thank you for joining me today. My name's Laura Mackie and I thought I'd share with you today how I've been making the corner bookmarks that I'm popping in with my mini catalogues that I'm sending out to people. I'm using today some new goodies. I'm using the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set, and these are my absolute favourite, the brushed brass butterflies. How cute are those? They're really lovely. And I've got lots of ink pads here ready. So let me show you how to make the corner bookmark. They're really easy to make. I'm using basic white cardstock, but you could use really, as long as you any colour cardstock, sorry, and then you could use, as long as you're this principle of this, as long as it's square and you can halve it, you could use any size. But I'm using a 5" by 5" size, so they're nice and neat, nice little neat size. So 5" by 5", which in centimeters is 12.7 by 12.7. You're then going to score it in half at 2.5, which is 6.3 centimeters. So 2.5 inches or 6.3 centimeters. So you're scoring it into quarters. We're then going to pop it back under the trimmer and we're going to line up the score lines in the gutter there, and we're going to trim a little piece off. So you're going to trim that piece off there. Just grab my bone folder. Nothing's ever where I want it when I come to do a video, sod's law. So I'm going to bone folder my score lines like so. And then I'm going to grab my paper snips and I'm going to just trim out this back corner, so the opposite edge to the one you've cut at the slanty angle, and you're going to just cut that out. You can make these using also DSP as well. I wanted it quite plain because my rainbow that I'm going to pop on here is going to take centre stage. So cutting that out, and I've cut it out, so I've cut out the score lines as well. So when you come to fold it up like this, so have it flat in your hand and fold one down and one under behind. If you haven't cut the score lines off, it will kind of bow a little bit, so you want it to sit nice and flat. Then I'm going to pop some adhesive onto this piece here, and I like a little bit of Tombow for this. Just if it doesn't line up slightly right, I can just give it a little wiggle. So that is the, if I just show you on another piece of, I'll show you on the corner of this actually. So you can see then this is how the bookmark then takes shape. So it's really cute size. I just thought they'd be lovely to send out with my catalogues. I always like to send something to my customers when they send them a catalogue. Then I'm going to be using the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set, and I've got the stamps all mounted up ready to go. This is polished pink, and I'm going to stamp that first. So polished pink. Then I've got the second rainbow, which I'm going in with Mango Melody. My third rainbow is going to be Granny Apple Green, and the reason I chose these colours is because they coordinate to the front of the new, I'll grab my Celebration brochure. I can show you where I chose, how I picked those colours. Oh, where is it? Where's my Celebration brochure? I have lost my Celebration brochure. Hold on, I'll grab another one. I've got a pile of them here. So yeah, I picked those colours from this here. So you got the polished pink, the Mango Melody, Granny Apple Green, and the Bermuda Bay. So then they kind of coordinate nicely with that. I'm going to stamp on the bottom of my rainbow the You Make Me Happy. So I'm just inking that up in the basic black. It's going to go on there like that. So these, I mean, these are really fun if you wanted to make little gifts for class friends or for teachers. Really cute. And I'm just quickly cutting this out. There is coordinating dies for this, but there's not one that cuts out the rainbow. However, it's so quick to cut out. I won't tell you how many I've cut out there. I've cut out quite a few. So there's that. And then I'm going to just add one of the little brass butterflies there, just to give it a little bit of bling and just to show my customers, show those off, because sometimes they get missed in the catalogue. I must say, me being a butterfly crazy girl that I am, I actually did miss them first time looking round. And I'm going to put my 3-dimensionals onto the bookmark itself, so in the pyramid shape or triangle shape there. And then I'm going to position that just so you just see the top of that point there. Oh, not quite central. Wait, not quite central. Whoops. The camera is kind of in an awkward position that I can't actually then see where I'm going down. It's still not quite central there, is it? But there we go. That is the corner bookmark. How cute does that look? I hope you have fun recreating the little corner bookmark. It's not my idea. I've seen them all over Pinterest. I actually never found a video. I found some written instructions from, I think it was a French demonstrator, because I couldn't actually read the words that she'd written, bless her. I just was going by the pictures she'd uploaded. So not my idea at all, but I thought it was quite quick and quite fun, and I just thought it'd be great to share a video for anyone that's unsure how to make them. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.